Hey y'all, welcome to my Tour Tales. I'm Eric Stone. Today's episode is called The Road to McCall, and we're hoping the road to McCall is uneventful as we're traveling 6,000 feet up in the mountains with the American Eagle towing the little RAV4, and we're hoping we don't overheat, and hopefully we'll see something cool along the way. We'll see you at the end. We pulled off in a little turnout so Kim could make me my beloved iced coffee for the day, and then we didn't even realize this is a historical site. It's Mesa Orchards. I'm not sure what that means, but I guess we'll read that together. We're about halfway to McCall. It's really beautiful up here, and I thought I'd stop and check the car. I always like to check the car and make sure that the tire straps are still tight and everything's looking good. Because you never know when you're going down the road, you don't want that stuff to come loose. So just going to do a quick check. I can already tell from here the straps are good. Everything looks good. This is Bigfoot country, y'all. Beautiful. The road to McCall. Gorgeous. Chief, are you enjoying this drive to McCall? Are you enjoying it, buddy? You're a good bird. You having fun? Yeah, I knew you was. As you can see, we're at about 3,900 feet, and we're going to be climbing to about 6,500 feet to McCall. It's a pretty steady climb. Temperature gauge is reading about 200, which is pretty normal for a climb, so we're doing good. So we're driving to McCall. Got dirty windows again, sorry about that. Looks like there's a big storm brewing over the horizon, just on the other side of that mountain. So there's quite a storm brewing off to the left of us on our way into McCall. It's pretty dark. So we're pulling into where Kim grew up. We're in McCall. And we're going into where all of her friends used to live, and this is where she grew up, just on the outskirts of McCall. Still very country out here. And so just to the right is where Kim grew up. That's her mom and stepdad's house. And we're going to be parking right by their garage. Right over here. I'm going to pull it right here. And we are here. So we made it to McCall, and we're going to drop the car and the boat off here in the dolly. We'll be here one night, and then we'll leave the dolly and the boat here, and we'll take the motorhome and move into town at a friend of Kim's house, Jamie, who plays piano in McCall. So we're going to go there tomorrow. But tonight we're just going to drop the car and stuff off here. So Kim's going to drop the car off the dolly. It has a little ramp that folds down. And that's it. Introduce Chief to this cat. Come on in. Here comes Kim, and Chief's going to get to see the cougar. He did not like the cougar.
Come here, baby. Come here, baby. What is that? What is that? Is that a big kitty cat?
Meow.
Is that a big kitty cat? Look, Daddy's petting.
He's laughing.
Is that a big kitty cat?
Come here, Chief.
Want to say hi? You want to say hi to the kitty cat?
I don't think he wants to.
That's not nice.
Hey y'all, we made it to McCall safe and sound. The RV ran really cool. We saw some cool historical sites along the way, and that drone footage was cool as hell when we finally got here. So for my Tour Tales, I'm Eric Stone, and remember, open roads, open minds.